Hello there, welcome back to Bitrix administration course, and my name is still Emin and I represent company EMCsoft, and in this video we will discuss delivery robots. The thing is that in that robots only two robots could be new for you if you watch my previous videos, is that watch for order delivery and get product item information. The rest robots get payment information, we discuss in robots payment, and send email to customer, send message to the chat, send SMS to the customer, we discussed in customer communication. This was my second video. So if you want to know more details, check that video and that video. So now we will discuss watch for order delivery. So this is a trigger. The main purpose of that trigger is about if your delivery company deliver the product to your customer, your deal should move from that stage to another stage. But unfortunately for your region, it's most likely that you have no delivery company integrated with Bitrix. So if you go to payment and delivery, if you move here, you'll see that delivery section is empty. For example, on other regions, that delivery section available, unfortunately, only one provider, which is Yandex delivery. So to fix that problem, you need to send a message to us, and we're absolutely happy to integrate to your Bitrix any shipping delivery company. So I'm not going to discuss that robot trigger for now. Let's go to another trigger. So in the delivery group, you got a robot which called get product item information add. So in fact, this is not a robot. This is a helper which extract data for you to use it for another robot. So I explained what's the difference in my previous video between robots and helper and triggers. And exactly for that particular trigger, in that section, we need to extract product item from the deal. So we need to click here, then go to the deal and watch for the product. So deal products, so products here, save, and then move that helper order delivery, for example here. But that robot will not do anything actually, just extracting the data. For that robot, you need to use that robot. For example, send email to customer. I will save it for a while and move here. So as I explained last time, you need to select from where, subject, and here you can write now an email, such as, so for example, contact, your items, contact, automation rules, because we have a helper, get product item information, then product ID, owner ID, product name, then price, quantity, that's it. For example, deliver it to your address. An address we can take from here again. Contact, right, client type auto select, save. I want to show the difference again. When that robot in that stage, under that helper, we have available automation rules, right? But if we move that robot here and click edit, and again here, so we do not see automation rules. So because helper is not available in that stage, right? So we in test deal, we got name, we have no address, we need to add address. So address, contact companies, and edit, address. Okay, save that, come back. Right, so we got name, we got contact details, and now move to the second stage, order delivery. Right, so outgoing email generated, let's check it. And we have here the Emin, phone delivery to your address. Address is empty for some reason, but okay, so product here, address here. Let's check why address is not here. Go to the contact.
Using Call Center 24, you may do a click by clicking on the number, select a number from which you want to call. You can add up to 100 numbers. Make a call. During the call, you can add to the call any contact from your Bitrix from leads or contacts. You can add call center user from user list in your Bitrix, or you can connect to that call somebody by type any number and connect to that call. Also, you can pass the call, mute the call, or transfer call to somebody else.
Go to the contact companies, go to contact, click edit, go to the address, detailed, copy this and put in exact here. Okay, now test again. Order delivery. Right, now we got delivery address. Using that robot, you can extract only first item of a product list from your products section. To extract all products, you need to use a business process, not that robot. How to do that, I will explain on my another videos. That's it. Let's go for the other robots. Also, we got delivery, get payment information, which we discuss here, and SMS, so we discuss here. Yeah, that's it. So this is a very short video. We actually discuss only one robot, which is get product item information. And yeah, again, if you got a question, put your questions in comments under that video. And if you like that video, click like. Thank you and bye bye.